So I'm gonna make a super, super, super quick video just on this. Just on this. Let me get the scissors. These are them. So cute. They're dog versus squirrels. Why do I put the scissors away? So this is one. What's this one's name? Okay. Hazel, member of competitive a cappella singing group and dislikes being called husky, likes being called fluffy. Okay. And then this one's Brenda. I know that for sure. She's so cute and pink. This set was really cute. Brenda calls everyone hun, brings the same gelatin mold to every picnic she's invited to. It has shredded carrots in it. Okay, whatever. I don't know what that means, but cute. Cute. Dog versus squirrels. Super cute. Okay, yeah. That's it. That's it. So, thank you for joining. I never have viewers, so it's nice to have viewers sometimes. Here we go. Bye.